and I have a lot of post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. Wow, I look like a fucking ghost. I'm a one. Ooh, hey guys. Getting ready to do my makeup. I feel like I haven't filled my makeup in a long time, and I'm doing a little something with my hair. So my problem that I feel like my makeup has been having recently is the fact that it's been too light for my face. It's been quarantine season, nobody's outside. I haven't gotten a tan or anything like that, so I feel like all the foundations that I have 3 foundations. I have a Clinique, I have a Bobbi Brown, and I also have a Fenty, and they all do not match my skin. Do y'all know how to find makeup in coronavirus times? Because if you haven't gone to a Sephora, Macy's, Ulta, there's no testers. You can't test the product, you can't try and match your shade, like actually putting it on your skin. So you can't do that. You can't do that. They don't have any makeup remover, they don't have any of the utensils, even though I felt like it was kind of already set up in a hygienic way. But I understand that people are anxious and scared about the coronavirus, so I'll just leave it at that. I don't think that it's necessary. That's why I do not think it's necessary. But you know, so what I had to do to find my shade, I asked her, if I buy these foundations, can I return it in store, like if it doesn't fit me? And she's like, yeah, you can return it the same day. So okay, so I bought both of these foundations because I knew I was leaving the store with one. I bought both of them. They didn't match my complexion the way that I like, that I like. They looked very ashy on me. It was actually too light, and I returned them right there on the spot. Tried on the second one, returned it right there on the spot. The one I ended up leaving with is NC44. This is the one that I felt was the closest to my complexion. This is my main focus for today. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows off camera because I don't think you guys really need to see that, and I need to set up my kind of station anyways. Alright, so here are my brows. Feel me? I feel like they flaky today. I feel like they they don't look too fake. Don't look too fake. I do my eyes first. I might use my NYX Swear By It palette because I feel like I've only been using my Juvia's Place. So these are what the colors are looking like. I don't really know what I want to do. I am going to try to do a neutral look because every single time I say I'm going to try and do a neutral glam look, I never do that shit. I'm so excited. Tomorrow's my best friend's birthday. Damn, I don't know how I'm gonna do this though, because what I wanted to do is I wanted to go to Target and pick up some little stuff to put in like a gift bag for her. I have some stuff in here already that I have prepared to give to her, but I want it to all be like cute and put together in like a nice bag. Like I want it to be situated like bitch, I care about you.
I don't know you. Hey, I got my door up, I can't slow up, thought I told you. Hey, leave a hater in anguish. Test drive your main bitch. Better watch your language.
I feel like this is not natural. This is not natural makeup. I don't look like I'm not wearing makeup. So I don't think that, I don't know when I'm gonna learn that style. I need help with that. I see girls just put concealer on their eyes and then that's it. And it's like, wait, that's all you gonna do? Just put concealer? And I be doing it and I be like, my eyes look flat. Oh, so I'm using MAC NC44. I told you guys earlier. And I'm hoping, because like I said, tomorrow's my best friend's birthday. We're going to a birthday dinner for her. And I didn't want tomorrow to be the first time that I use the foundation. Because then I'm going to be, like, I would be so upset if I either had to do my makeup over again or whatever. Oh, it's kind of thick. So it's supposed to be lighter than the foundation that I normally use. And like I said, this is my first time using this. I think I like the consistency because it seems buildable. And I have a lot of post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. Wow, I look like a fucking ghost. And my battery is about to die. Alright, so my battery died, but I am prepared. And I also want to see how this looks when it oxidizes. Sheesh, I wonder if this is too light. It's giving me ashy vibes, guys. I have my Bobbi Brown. I'm just gonna go over it with some Bobbi. I don't think I look as much Walking Dead-ish looking. Let's see if I could turn it down. Oh, it's on low. Well,
just slow up, I don't know you. Hey, I got my dough up, I can't slow up, thought I told you.
I don't be baking like that, but I do feel that my under eye be creasing. Bruh, if somebody walked in here right now, I would look so crazy. I'd be like, I look so crazy. This is actually kind of funny. Oh, contour. I have a contour brush. Some dazzle. To see my highlight.
Stacking face down off canvases I painted. I just spent the rain day on shit I can't afford, but
oh, my brow gel be working. I just tried to like run my spoolie through it and that shit said bitch.
Truth is, I'm scared cause when I see you coming, all I wanna do is tell you that I love you. I know you're better off without me cause your tears stain eyes make it dark out when you're around me. Like a needle lost in the sand, the ink dried in my hand. It's unthinkable. Like a bird that never learned to fly, I shouldn't ask you to try. It's unthinkable.
So now I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna set my face. And that was my Skindinavia setting spray. Okay. So one thing I did forget to put on is my MicroSmooth powder. So I'm just gonna dust this all over my face, which is just gonna blur any makeup imperfections. So this is how my makeup looks. Okay, y'all.
Top floor, top shotter, you are not top 5. To be completely 100, these people can't keep me from coming, I'm moving now. What you doing tomorrow? If you wanna do it, I say you get to it now. I see the view from the top of the podium, out of your sodium wingspan. I am the they itching to see when you sitting with me, you a wingman.